Imagine journeying back in time to Al-Andalus, a luminous chapter in the history of Muslim Spain that captivated the world with its harmony of cultures and advancements in various fields. Today, we delve into the sacred month of Ramadan, as celebrated during this golden era, a time woven with rich traditions, cultural convergence, and profound spiritual significance. As the new crescent moon was sighted, Al-Andalus would transform. From the bustling streets of Córdoba to the serene corners of Granada, the rhythm of life shifted. Ramadan, a month of fasting, reflection, and communal unity, was eagerly anticipated. The fragrance of spices and sweet delicacies began to fill the air as families prepared to observe the fast from dawn until sunset. As the sun dipped below the horizon, the adhan, or call to prayer, would resonate from the grand mosques, echoing through the ornate archways and across tile-covered courtyards. This marked the joyous moment of iftar, the meal at sunset to break the day's fast. Throughout Al-Andalus, markets buzzed with life. Vendors adorned their stalls with the season's best offerings, from succulent dates to fresh figs, and an array of spices that highlighted the region's culinary opulence. The communal aspect of Ramadan was palpable, with families, neighbors, and travelers breaking fast together, sharing generously in the spirit of togetherness and charity. In the intellectual hubs of this era, such as Córdoba and Toledo, Ramadan also signified a time of mental and spiritual enrichment. Scholars and philosophers engaged in vibrant discussions and study circles, reflecting on religious texts and exploring the virtues of empathy, discipline, and humility. This remained intrinsic to the month's spiritual significance, fostering a profound connection between the self and the divine. Al-Andalus stood as a beacon of coexistence, where Muslims, Christians, and Jews interacted, trading not only goods but ideas, fostering a unique blend of cultures and learning that was revolutionary for its time. During Ramadan, this intermingling was particularly evident. While observing their own customs, neighbors of other faiths often shared in the communal activities, further strengthening social ties and mutual respect. But what can we learn from this illustrious chapter of history? The Ramadan of Al-Andalus echoes a timeless lesson of unity in diversity, the power of shared humanity, and the pursuit of knowledge and spirituality as guiding lights for communal harmony. In a world often divided, these historical traditions remind us to embrace others with kindness, generosity, and understanding. As we reflect on the Ramadan of Al-Andalus, let it inspire a renewed commitment to introspection, community, and the universal values that transcend boundaries and time. May we draw from their way of life the timeless wisdom of fostering peace and growth through faith, knowledge, and mutual respect. Thank you for tuning in to our exploration of this pivotal era and the enduring legacy of its Ramadan practices.